Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to hide pages in Notion. This is a fantastic way to keep your workspace organized and minimize clutter while still having quick access to important subpages whenever you need them. Let's jump right in. First, open your Notion workspace and navigate to the page that contains the subpages you want to hide. This could be a project dashboard, a personal wiki, or any parent page where you've accumulated multiple nested pages that are making things feel a bit crowded. Once you're on that page, click inside the content area where you'd like to create your hidden section. Now type /toggle and press enter. This will insert a toggle block, which is essentially a collapsible container that can hold other content, including page links. It's one of Notion's most versatile features for organizing information. After inserting the toggle block, you'll want to rename it to something clear and descriptive. Click on the toggle text and change it to something like hidden pages or archived projects. This helps you remember what's tucked away inside without needing to expand it every time. Now comes the part where you move your pages into this toggle. Select the pages you want to hide by clicking and dragging across them, or hold down Shift and click each page link individually if they're not grouped together. You'll see them highlighted once selected. Next, look for the 6-dot icon, also called the handle, that appears to the left of each page link. Click and hold this icon, then drag the selected pages directly into your newly created toggle block. As you drag them over the toggle, you'll notice it highlights, indicating it's ready to receive the pages. Release your mouse to drop them inside. Once your pages are nested within the toggle, click the small arrow next to the toggle block to collapse it. This instantly hides all the pages inside from view, giving your workspace a much cleaner appearance. The pages aren't deleted or archived, they're simply tucked away behind that toggle. You can verify they're hidden by scanning your page. The subpages should no longer be visible in the main content area. Whenever you need to access them again, simply click the arrow next to the toggle block to expand it. All your hidden pages will reappear instantly. This method is perfect for keeping your Notion sidebar and pages clean and minimal while maintaining full access to everything you need. It's especially useful for long-term projects or reference materials you don't need to see every day. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.